So welcome students. So in this question you're given that f of x is equal to log x to the base e and in the interval 1, 3. So what is the c corresponding to the mean value theorems? So as you can see, this function is a continuous and differentiable function in 1, 3. And what is f of 1? F of 1 is equal to log 1 to the base e is 0. And what is f of 3? F of 3 is nothing but log 3 to the base e. And what does Lagrange's mean value theorem say? So if you have f of 1 and f of 3, there exists a c. There exists a c in the open interval 1, 3 where f dash of c is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. Right? What does Lagrange's mean value theorem say? So if f of 1 and f of 3 are different, f of a and f of b are different, there exists at least one c in between a and b such that f dash of c is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. So here b is 3 and a is 1. So f of 3 minus f of 1 by 3 minus 1. That is log 3 to the base e minus 0 by 2. So you should have at least one c where the differentiation value is this. So you're asked to find the c in this question. So to do that, let us find f dash of x. So f dash of x is equal to 1 by x, right? F dash of x is 1 by x. So f dash of c is 1 by c should be equal to log 3 to the base e by 2. This implies c is equal to 2 by log 3 to the base e. So this should be the answer. Or if you can take this up, you can have 2 times log e to the base 3. Or if you can take this inside, you can also have log e square to the base 3. You can have any of these answers for this question.